I said. We will consult all the candidates after the nomination process is over, and we will take into account their view. If they want a Congress CM to be announced before the election, or whether they want a Congress CM to be announced after the election, that view will be conveyed to the AICC and we will take a decision. We are open to either. In the past also, we have taken either position, depending upon the state. See, as I've said it repeatedly, that seat is identified with Mr. Pratap Singh Rane. It's been identified for nearly 50 years now. So it would be presumptuous on our part to tell him what to do. As far as we are concerned, we have announced him as the candidate, and we have told him, you contest the election, or you suggest a name which can be forwarded to the ICC to be named as a candidate. I think a decision will be taken in a day or two. All that I can say is what the BJP did to us in 2017 to 19 is coming back to haunt them. What you sow, you reap. In 2017, 2019, and elsewhere in Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Manipur, and in other states, the BJP is the one that sowed the seeds of what they called Operation Lotus, which is buying people.